In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML web page to Gmail. To do this, we will be working inside Gmail, and we will use a Chrome extension called HTML. The goal is to take an HTML file that you already have and insert it into an email so it appears as a formatted design, instead of plain text or raw code. Before you begin, make sure you are using Google Chrome and that HTML is installed from the Chrome Web Store, because the buttons we are about to use come from that extension. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and going to your inbox. Once the inbox loads, look to the left side of the screen and click Compose to open a new message. You should now see the Email Compose window, where you normally type your subject and message. Now in the Compose area, locate the HTML controls that the extension adds. The next two actions are both highlight clicks. In this context, you are selecting the correct HTML option, so Gmail knows you want to work with HTML content. Click on the highlight area once, and then click on the highlight area again, as shown in the interface. These two selections help you focus the tool on the message body, where the HTML will be placed. If you do not see these options, refresh the page and confirm the extension is enabled in Chrome. Next, click Upload. This is where you will choose your HTML web page file from your computer. When the file picker opens, browse to the folder where your HTML file is saved, select it, and confirm. For best results, use a complete HTML file that is designed for email, since some web-only features may not display correctly in Gmail. Also keep images in mind. If your HTML references local images on your computer, they may not appear for the recipient unless they are properly hosted or embedded in a compatible way. After the upload finishes, click Insert. This takes the HTML you uploaded and places the rendered content into the body of your Gmail draft. At this point, you should see your email layout appear with formatting, colors, and spacing. From here, you can continue composing as usual, like adding a subject and recipients, but the key part is complete. Your HTML page is now inserted into Gmail, and that is all there is to it.